Here's my honest and unsponsored vanilla perfume collection review. The first one we have from Plum Body in Vanilla Caramello. Now, this is a very affordable perfume, and I will leave the notes in the screen so you can check it out. It has that warm, cozy vanilla fragrance to it. It has the salted caramel, pistachio, almond, vanilla. So it's good for ideal purpose. It's highly affordable. So yes, it is my perfume on a day-to-day basis. I layer it up with the others, so I highly recommend this. You won't regret buying this. The second one we have from Nykaa. This is highly affordable, but honestly I'm not a big fan of this perfume, so I wouldn't repurchase this. I will leave the notes here, you can check it out. It has vanilla notes to it, and it gives me that spirit and alcohol whiskey vibes, so I'm not a big fan, but you can check it out in case if you want to try this. So yeah, I will leave the notes on top. The third one we have is from Zara Red Vanilla. Now this has this fruity, sweet, floral scent notes to it. So I barely can smell the vanilla, to be honest. It's on more the sweeter side, to be honest. So yeah, it's not bad, but I would prefer the other vanilla perfume like Plum, and I'll be talking more about it. So yeah, it's a okay fragrance to me. Now, the fourth one we have is my favorite. It's owned by Samantha Prabhu. It's the Secret Alchemist Rare Vanilla. Now, this has a very clean fragrance, and it gives me that it's in between mist and a perfume, I feel, and it's great for the daily purpose. It smells it smells different. It's not the regular vanilla, it's the Kerala vanilla, tonka bean. I will leave the notes again here so you can check it out. But it gives that fresh touch to the vanilla. It's ideal for daily purpose. Whenever I layer it, whenever I spray this on my body, I always just sniff around. It's a 100 ml bottle, and you can get it around 1000 or 1100 rupees. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. Now, the last one we have in our vanilla collection is from the Burberry Goddess Intense. Now, this is the intense version of vanilla. You feel rich, you feel sophisticated, and this is the only perfume that has vanilla in all three notes. I will leave the notes here, and it has vanilla in all top, middle, and base notes. Wow. It has a strong vanilla, the intense vanilla fragrance to it, and this is my signature perfume, so I would highly recommend this. This tops the chart in all my vanilla perfume collection. So yeah, that's all. Stay tuned for part 2. I hope you liked it.